Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin with the driver door open and battery negative disconnected. This prevents accidental motor activation and airbag faults. First, remove the armrest screws and the door handle trim, then extract the 10 mm bolts and pop the plastic clips. Store them in a tray. Once panels are loose, lift door card off the upper lip and pull it toward you to release retainers. Make sure to peel back the moisture barrier, only enough to reach the actuator and wiring harness without tearing it. With the panel removed, locate the actuator tucked behind the latch assembly. You'll see its electrical connector. Depress the tab and disconnect it, then fold the wire aside. Next, remove the 3 mounting screws and carefully unclip the linkage rods from the actuator using a small flat tool. They pop off at an angle. Once free, draw the actuator out through the access hole. You want to note the rod orientation and any plastic clip positions, because proper alignment is essential for smooth door locking. Install the replacement actuator by positioning it in the cavity and aligning the linkage points. Hand thread the mounting screws to avoid cross-threading, then snug them to factory torque. Reattach the rods into their clips until they click. This secures the mechanism. Reconnect the electrical plug and reconnect the battery negative terminal. Once powered, operate lock and unlock cycles while watching linkage movement. If stuttering or binding appears, loosen screws. Realign rods and retest. Troubleshooting tip: if actuation fails, check for power at connector and bad ground before assuming a bad actuator.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.